Okay, here we go. We're going to do a law of sines, but first, check out this cool shirt. See that? All right, so here we go with the law of sines. So actually, this could be a law of cosines problem. I'm going to show you how to tell the difference. We have triangle ABC, and to turn on my tablet, triangle ABC. So big thing when you're trying to figure out if you want to use the law of sines or cosines, the sketch is really important. So this is not a right triangle, or at least we don't know if it's a right triangle. So Pythagorean theorem is not going to work. We have B equals 40 degrees. We have B, which is the opposite side length, which is 30, and C, which is the opposite side length, angle C, which is 40. So we're looking for angle A. So to determine which law to use, sines or cosines, usually it's as simple as this. Do you have an angle and an opposite side known? In other words, can you do this? If so, use the law of sines. So the law of sines is easy. It's sine of A over A equals sine of B over B. It doesn't matter what letters you use, just as long as it's consistent. And we're looking for an angle here. So I would write the angles up top on the fractions. It's easiest to calculate that way. So we're looking for A, but we don't have this angle. But we do have a side opposite C. So in this case, let's solve for angle C first, and then it will be easy to solve for A, since all the angles have to add to 90 degrees. So since I'm looking for an angle, I'm doing the sine of C up top over C equals the sine of B. Have to be consistent here. If the signs are up top for one fraction, it has to be up top for all the others. So we did sine of C, this angle, over 40 equals sine of 40 over 30. This C over here is 40. So now I'm going to solve for C. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 40. And then to solve for C, you have to inverse sine both sides. So I think the easiest way to do this is just do it all at once. Your calculators are good enough, to do that with. So let's just type that in just exactly how it is. Inverse sine. And first of all, check to make sure you're in degree mode. I already checked that. And I'm going to type in, I'm even going to use the fraction button. So I'm going to have it look exactly like our answer should look. 40 sine of 40 divided by 30. And that should give us a very good, precise answer. It's 58.986. Let's go 58.99 degrees. Now remember, we were trying to solve, that's this angle right here. We were trying to solve for A, but now we have two of the three angles in a triangle. So A would be 180 minus 40 and minus 58.99. So 180 minus 40 minus this answer right here. And I got 81.01 degrees. And that's it. It's pretty easy. Now, if you're solving for a side instead of an angle, just write the law of sines flipped. So instead of writing sine of C over 40, I'd write 40 over sine of C. And then just keep that consistent, and so on. So it's really easy to work with. So that's all there is to it. Look out for my next video, which is going to deal with the law of cosines.